Hi. Let's try reading sentences that have the letters SATINP. Let's read sentences. Pat is in. Pat is in. Pat is in. Sit in a pit. Sit in a pit. Sit in a pit. It is a tin pan. It is a tin pan. It is a tin pan. It is an ant in a pant. It is an ant in a pant. It is an ant in a pant. Now, it's time to read a story. Stan and Anna. Stan sits. Anna taps. Stan snaps. Anna spins. Stan sits. Anna taps. Stan snaps. Anna spins. Stan naps. Anna snips. Stan spits. Anna pats. Stan naps. Anna snips. Stan spits. Anna pats. Papa and the pan. Papa sits. Papa taps a pan. The pan tips. Tap, tap. Papa sits. Papa taps a pan. The pan tips. Tap, tap. Papa pats it. Papa spins it. Papa pats it. Papa spins it.
Good job. Bye.